How to make transparent background logos in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to make transparent background logos in Canva, first of all launch the Canva application. Make sure that you're logged into your account on Canva application. And as you can land on the very first page of Canva, simply tap on the search templates option and search for the option of background or transparent background logos. So this will ease the work. So let's search for transparent background logo option, and as you search for it you'll be able to see different templates available for us. So now you can choose whichever is more convenient for you and whichever is more relevant. So you can select over here. I'm gonna tap on a random one over here for now, and as you select on it, what happens over here is you'll be able to edit any part of that logo or the template that is be more relevant and that you'll be more convenient for. So you can simply select on any part that you'd like to remove or add. So if I want to remove this flower icon, I can simply tap on it and tap on delete. Now if you want to add anything, you can simply tap on it and simply add it by tapping on the elements section. So let's just tap on the elements option and let's just wait what we can put on over here. So I'm going to tap on graphics for now and let's select what we can add. So let me just add a random flower over here that has been recommended, and as we are done you can simply just edit it and resize the element. So let's just bring it down. After bringing it down, you'll be able to just make it what you'd like it to be, and that's how you can make transparent background logos in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.